Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for this video, we're going to be diving into a very interesting and fantastic tool for creating mockups as well as wireframes. So what is mockup? It's basically an online platform that will allow you to design, collaborate, and share your ideas visually, whether if you're a designer, developer, or a project manager. Mockups is the perfect tool for creating stunning mockups, wireframes, as well as prototypes. This app is great because you don't need to be pro to get started on this tool. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First things first is you're going to need to sign up or log into an account if you don't have one yet. And of course, as you can see here, it is free to start and you will be able to explore most of the features without actually any costs. And then, once you're signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard. And once we are logged in, we will end up here. We're going to see all these different templates. So here we can see there are mobile app ones, there's flowcharts one, as well as admin dashboard. So for this one, we're just gonna do a simple one for now. So let's do this one, blog page warfare. So we can make a blog using this tool as well. And we can also upgrade if you want more templates and other additional features as well. So for this one, we're just gonna skip this. And as we can see here, we have all different sorts of options and things that we can change here on the toolbars menu. So here we can insert a new curated template. So we can use different template here if you want to. And then here are the different stencils. So you can change all of this based on your preferences. So here we have all sort of things. You can have even a map, a video player. You can just go check the rest of these if you want to add them and put them into your blog. In this case, we'll go through a few of the other tools that you can also use here. So here we have the pages tab. So here we can have the main page, the post page, there's also category, and then page, and as well as contact. This is based off the blog template that we used that we selected earlier. So we can actually add a new page if we want to. And here we have the outline. So we can add a bunch of different things onto our main page here. And here we can go through the templates again if we want to use a new template or create a new one for ourselves. Here are the image library, so you can upload your own images for your site or app that you want to make. And you'll be able to see them through here and then add them to your site. And of course, you have icons as well. So there are the material icons, field outline, and you can go through the different types here. So you can add emojis as well. Here are the comment sections that you can also add. So you can customize to a better degree of control. And then you can also do a bunch of different setting options. So you can make things that you're moving around snap to the grids or guides. You can also change the show to show rulers if you want more precise placement of your panels. And then you can also go through the advanced settings and do all of this. You can turn them off or turn them on depending on what you prefer. And then after that, we can go back to the pages here and see how it looks. So this is what it looks like. You can also change the format if you want to. You have a lot of options for the page settings for this one. And for the interaction, you can have a click or tap for the buttons. And you can also show your hotspots as well. And then for the preview, you can see how it looks. So this is what it looks right now on the web. And then we can go back to editing if we want to add or subtract more things. And that's basically it. And then up here at the top, you can see the diagram and you can change all the different aspects of the different panels and the icons as well. So you can change the sizing of this, and you can also change the icons. And you have here the color as well as the placement and the sizing of the icon itself. So you can even add a drop or shadow if you want. So that's what it looks like. Then you can also add a blur effect if you want, although that kind of doesn't look too good right now. But it just really depends on what you want for your website. And then here we can also see the pencil if you want to add more objects and you want us to upgrade to a plan. So let's actually go ahead and check it out right now. So here we have a different options for the plan. So we have the free, the solo team, and the unlimited. So each of them have different features that are available. So yeah, you can see all that here. But of course, we just want to use this for now for free. But if you want to add more features, of course, you can definitely go ahead and pay for it yourself. And then the rest of this, you can also use a pencil highlighter for drawing. You can make any lines and shapes. You can also make an arrow, text, and hotspot. As for the notes here, it also needs an upgrade. So you can add a sticky note, call out annotation bracket, annotation speech bubble, and image. So you can add a bunch of other things as well. And then for the components, you can create or restore, rest or detach instance. So you can customize a little bit better. And then you can also, this kind of like a Photoshop or like Illustrator kind of tool setting here. For the handoff, you have your options here for your fonts and your page layout, also your colors as well. And then you can click the export button. So you can export your completed website or app or whatever you are making on this. And then you have it ready to go. And then you can also share this and then just click a copy link and then you'll be able to share this to other people who are also working on this project of a site or an app. So yeah, that's about it for the video. I hope that everything was clear and we were able to help you to understand how to go through and use this tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and of course, share it with your friends. And also, let us know in the comments if we did miss anything or if you'd like to see more tutorials on design tools like mockups like this. So thanks for watching. Until next time, see you.